Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Palm Sander for woodworking. Number 1. WEN Detailing. Tackle detailed sanding tasks with ease using this compact and efficient finishing sander. Designed with precision in mind, it features a 3.75 x 5.5 inch pad and an angled tip that reaches tight corners and edges effortlessly. Perfect for woodworking, refinishing furniture, or touch-up projects. Despite its small size, this tool packs a punch with a powerful 1-amp motor that delivers an impressive 13,500 orbits per minute, OPM, ensuring smooth, consistent sanding performance on a variety of surfaces. Weighing just 2 pounds, the lightweight design minimizes user fatigue, allowing for greater control and extended use without discomfort. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting your home improvement journey, this tool offers both convenience and performance. The integrated dust collection port keeps your workspace cleaner by reducing airborne particles and collecting sawdust as you work, helping to maintain a clear view of your project. Changing sandpaper is quick and hassle-free thanks to the Velcro-based pad, which secures sheets firmly during use while allowing for easy removal when it's time to switch grits. Compact yet powerful, this tool is a must-have for anyone seeking precise results in tight or detailed spaces. Number 2. DEWALT Palm. Experience powerful performance and exceptional control with this high-efficiency orbital sander, designed for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. Featuring a robust 3.0 amp motor, the sander delivers a consistent 12,000 orbits per minute, OPM, ensuring a smooth, swirl-free finish across a variety of surfaces. Its compact and low-profile design allows users to get closer to the workpiece, offering improved precision and control in tight or detailed spaces. Engineered for user comfort, the tool includes a separate counterweight mechanism that significantly reduces vibration, minimizing fatigue during extended use. Critical contact points are reinforced with rubber overmolding, enhancing grip and stability while reducing hand strain. The sander also boasts an improved dust-sealed power switch, preventing dust ingestion and extending the overall lifespan of the switch. Whether you're finishing furniture, prepping surfaces for painting, or tackling a larger sanding project, this tool combines durability, comfort, and performance in a well-balanced package. It's a reliable addition to any toolbox, offering professional-level results in a user-friendly design. With thoughtful features aimed at protecting both the user and the tool, it's built to deliver clean, efficient, and precise sanding results every time. Number 3. Bosch Random. Achieve a consistently smooth, swirl-free finish on both flat and contoured surfaces with this expertly engineered orbital sander. Designed with a pad dampening system, it minimizes swirl marks, ensuring professional-grade results on every project. The powerful 2.5 amp motor delivers a variable speed range of 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, allowing precise control to match the task and material. A signature hook-and-loop disc attachment system makes pad changes quick and effortless, holding sanding discs securely in place like Velcro for uninterrupted operation. Dust management is top-tier, thanks to an advanced microfilter system that captures fine particles down to 1/2 micron in size. The compact, twist-off dust canister clearly shows dust levels and removes easily for quick, mess-free emptying. Designed for durability and convenience, this sander comes with a full kit that includes a sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter, and a carrying bag for easy storage and transport. Whether you're smoothing wood, prepping surfaces for paint, or finishing fine details, this sander offers superior comfort, performance, and cleanliness in one reliable package. Ideal for both professionals and serious DIYers alike. Number 4. HYCHIKA Better Tools for Better Life Sander. Experience smoother, more efficient sanding with this powerful 2.5A electric sander featuring 6 variable speed settings, ranging from 6,000 to 13,000 RPM. Whether you're tackling rough surfaces or applying finishing touches, the adjustable speed allows precise control for tasks like woodworking, polishing, paint removal, and rust cleanup, boosting your productivity by up to 30%. The tool includes 12 sanding pads in 80, 120, and 240 grits, giving you versatility for various materials and surfaces. Thanks to the hook and loop system, changing sandpaper is quick and hassle-free. Designed with user comfort in mind, the lightweight body and texturized rubber grip ensure reduced vibration and better control, allowing for one-handed operation with less fatigue. The dust collection system features 8 vacuum holes at the base and a detachable collection bag, achieving up to 80% dust removal to keep your workspace clean and breathable. Included in the box are 4 sanding discs for each grit level, 80, 120, and 240, along with a user manual to get you started quickly. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this compact orbital sander is built to deliver precision, power, and performance in every job. Number 5. MAXXT Brushless. Take your sanding projects to the next level with a powerful tool designed for versatility, precision, and comfort. This advanced random orbital sander features 2 interchangeable backing pads, 5-inch for tight, detailed work and 6-inch for covering broader surfaces, giving you unmatched flexibility across various tasks. With a 5.0 mm oscillation, it ensures efficient material removal while maintaining a smooth, consistent finish. The dual-speed control system includes 2 operation modes. Mode 1 utilizes a speed throttle lever for dynamic control, while Mode 2 offers 6 fixed speed levels using the RPM+/RPM buttons, making it easy to match the speed to your task. Powered by an EC brushless motor, this sander delivers stable, long-lasting performance with minimal vibration, helping to reduce fatigue during extended use. Safety is built in with an instant electronic pad brake that stops the rotation quickly when the machine is powered off, adding confidence during high-speed work. The ergonomic, symmetrical body design supports both right and left-handed operation and includes a longer grip area for comfortable two-handed use. With thoughtful details like extra space for your fingers, this tool is built for total control, comfort, and professional-grade results. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.